The state BJP has condemned the killing of 2 individuals in Ichamati and demanded strong action. Everybody has a right to agitate. It is a democratic thing, but to be inhumane is something that should be condemned. I fully condemn anything that is inhumane to any community. Cabinet Minister and senior BJP leader A.L. Hek said. The Meghalaya Linguistic Minority Development Forum, MLMFDF, condemned the tragic loss of lives of 2 persons belonging to the minority communities in Ichamati.
Everybody has a right to agitate democratically. There's no problem at all. But to be inhuman, I fully condemn. Anything which is inhuman to any community, I'm not talking for particular community, I'm talking for human being. Anybody who are inhuman, I fully condemn for this kind of activities.